When dealing with solution, you know solution involves a solvent and solute to give us a solution. When you dissolve a solute in a solvent, it will give you solution. For in a case where we are dealing with solutions, numbers of mole is equal to what? Concentration in mole per dm cube times volume, and the volume, that is, we have two concentration. We have concentration in mole per dm cube, and the other we have concentration in gram per dm cube. So this one is concentration in mole per dm cube. So concentration in mole per dm cube times the volume. That is, our volume must be in dm cube, not cm cube, not meter cube, but it must be in dm cube. So for an ID gas is one of the formula that is very, very essential when we are dealing with calculations in chemistry, such as stoichiometry. So our gas law. ID gas is very, very, very important formula. It's a key formula. So ID gas, we have PV equals to nRT. So when you make this N subject to the formula, which is this N stands for moles, when you make it subject to the formula, we have PV over what? RT. Where our P is what? Pressure in ATM. You may be given pressure in what is it called? mmHg, that is millimeter mercury or Pascal. You have to convert it to this. The volume must be in dm cube, where V is equal to the volume in dm cube. C is the atmospheric temperature. Atmospheric temperature is constant. That will be what? 273 Kelvin. It's constant. It's constant. So our R is a general gas constant. The number for R is also constant, although there are two, but although there still is one. Depend. For example, when the pressure given is in ATM and the volume is in dm cube. When the pressure given is in ATM, you can see ATM here in the units, and the volume given is in dm cube, then you make use of this. But when your pressure is in Pascal, when your pressure is in Pascal or Newton per meter square, when your pressure is in Pascal or Newton per meter square, and your volume is in meter cube, and your volume is in meter cube, so you make use of what? This. So they are still the same. You still arrive at the same answer. And there is at the end of this video, I will teach you how they arrive at the general gas constant. This number, how they arrive at it. They don't just assume, but there is a proving for that. I will do it at the end of this video. And